Install the keyboard. Install the bracket. Install the monitor. Tighten the screws. Put the keyboard wires through the hole. Then connect the monitor with another wire from the inside. Now to the right side, start to install the host computer. Connect the wire corresponding to the number. The host computer placed like this. Install the signal lamp. Connect the wires. Now to the back side, connect the power cable. Connect the UPS. Done connected, placed outside like this. Now start to install the X-ray tube. The installation of tube goes like this. Front side of tube and connection of wires. Back side. Tighten the screws. Connect the wires of tube. OK, end installing. Let's get the machine moving. Turn on the UPS. Turn on the machine. Reset. Switch to heat. Set voltage, current. Click the board on the bottom right, automatic image. Adjust the height of the lens. Adjust the brightness. Measuring BGA. Select the detection area. Tin-point acceptance range is below 25. Stretch the tin point to see if it is overvalued. Save the data. If there is a problem with the tin point, arrow labels are used to identify the unqualified tin point for easy repair.